अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं भेजा फ्राई। मैंने एक भेजे का बनाया हुआ है, सो डू ट्राई इट आउट। बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत टेस्टी है, बहुत इजी है। रोटी के साथ एक्सीलेंट, चावल में साइड एज अ साइड डिश ऑल्सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड। तो ज़रूर ट्राई करिए। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। Add a glass of water to a saucepan or a kadai. To this, add a pinch of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt and let it boil. Keep the mutton brain ready. Clean the veins, take out the veins, clean it, and keep it aside till the water boils. When the water starts boiling, add the brain and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, as you can see, the water is completely dried up. The brain is cooked. Now remove to another plate and let it cool. In the same kadai, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add a few curry leaves and saute for a few seconds, and then add 2 onions finely chopped. Saute till golden brown. While the onions are sauteing, let's cut the mutton brain into 4 pieces. Keep it aside and continue sauteing. The onions are almost done now. Now let's add half a teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, and a quarter teaspoon of soya sauce. We will not be adding any salt further. We have already added salt while boiling the bheja. Now we won't add because there is salt in the soya sauce. And it's only one bheja. So add the cut pieces of saute for a few seconds and then add the cut pieces of bheja. Mix well gently, cover and let it be on dum for 5 minutes. Switch off the flame and serve hot. Bheja fry is now ready. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.